So this week's word of the week for week number 34 is resistance training. Now, resistance training is defined as the amount of weight or force your muscles are working against to complete a movement. Different forms of resistance trainings are free weights, weight machines, resistant bands, and body weight. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 32 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have side shuffles. Exercise number 2, we have sumo squats. Exercise number 3, we have star planks. And exercise number 4, we have invisible jump ropes. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 32 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have side shuffle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on my left side and I'm going to shuffle to the right 3 times. So I'm going to get nice and low, nice squat position, and I'm going to shuffle 1, 2, 3. And then when I get over here, I'm going to have to shuffle back to where I started. So I'm going to shuffle 3 steps to the left. So I'm going to side shuffle 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back and forth. So that's side shuffles. Exercise number 2, we have sumo squats. So instead of doing a normal squat where we're about feet shoulder width apart, we're actually going to extend our feet a little bit wider than our shoulders. If I'm in a box, I'm actually wider. And then I'm going to go and squat down and up. Again, dropping my bottom as low as I can, down and up. Those are called sumo squats. Exercise number 3, we got star planks. So I'm going to go and get into a push-up-like position. And I'm going to open up my hands a little bit wider than my shoulders as well as my feet. So it's going to look like this. Open hands, open feet. I'm going to hold that star plank position for 30 seconds. And last but not least, we have invisible jump ropes. Get back to our feet. And we're going to go and do some invisible jump ropes. Okay. So you guys can do basic jumps. You guys can do reverse jumps. You guys can do some crisscrosses. Whatever your imagination has you do. Okay. So make sure you guys are ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side shuffles, go. Nice and low. 3, and come back. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you want to challenge yourself, you want to touch your ankle, get low. Get low. Let's go, my friends. Work hard. Do your best. That's all that matters. Just finished. Anything you start, fine, my friends. Remember the motto, Mr. Garcia's motto. Just finish. Woo! Big Ric Flair. Let's go. All right, let's go to those sumo squats. Feet wider than the shoulders, and drop. Down and up. Let's go. Nice and low. How low can you go, my friends? Oh yeah. Yeah. There you go, my friends. After the video, keep going. Oh yeah. Comment section. Let me know how your legs are feeling. Breathe in and out. All right, star planks. Again, hands wider than your shoulders, and your legs are split apart. Stagger your strength. 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Open up those legs, open up those hands. Make sure your hands are facing forward. Tighten up your core and your abs. You got this, my friends. You can do anything you put your mind to for 30 seconds or more. Let's go. Breathe in and out. It's your recovery phase. And time. Invisible jump ropes. Get that cardio blast, go. Invisible jump ropes, move. Get some crisscrosses in there. Get some double unders. Let's go, my friends. Some side planks. On your toes, go, let's go. All right, time. Great job. 1 minute rest. You guys know the drill. Grab some water. All right, so drop a comment down below if you've seen every single Fast 5 workout from workout number 1 to Fast 5 32, which is today. All right, drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing in your fitness journeys. Are you enjoying the workouts? Do you need a little more challenge? Let me know. Drop a comment down below. All right, my friends. 15 seconds left. Remember, focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, so we're gonna start on the right this time. We're gonna side shuffle to the left. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Starting. 3, 2, 1. And go, my friends. Nice and low, side shuffle. 3, 1, 2, 3. Back and forth, side to side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How low can you go? Let's go, my friends. If it hurts, that's okay. It's okay. Just do your best. Challenge yourself. Be better than you were yesterday, okay? Try your hardest. Let's go. All right, sumo squats. Widen the shoulders and squat. Woo! Give me a Ric Flair. Let's go, my friend. Nice and low. Drop that bottom. Oh yeah, my legs are on fire. Fuego, fuego. Let's go. Got star planks coming up. And time. All right. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Start planks. Open up your hands and feet. Tighten up your core. Go on and consider this like you're Spider-Man. You're Spider-Man on the wall. Let's go. Woo! Tighten up your core. Tighten up your core, my friends. You got this. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. All right, on your feet. Last one, finish it off. Let's go with our finisher. Invisible jump ropes, go. Everything you got. Let's count. 1. That's 10. That's 20. How many can you do? Let's go, let's go. Push. Carefully reach 30. 30. That's 40. Can we do 50? And time. Great job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 32. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. And if you have not done so already, make sure you guys check out my Fast 5 workout series on my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. Link will be down below. And as always at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Side Slide Soccer. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's a set of 4 side slide soccer. Now the items I'll be using today, I have a water bottle that is empty. It can be slightly filled if you like, okay? I have a pair of shoes. Now those can be swapped out for stuffed animals, water bottles, cones, whatever you guys might have. And then I have 1 sock ball, okay? Now what you're gonna have to do in this activity is you're gonna start at one of your markers. So I'm gonna use this shoe here. And I'm gonna have to side slide Squat down. I'm going to side slide 1, 2, 3. Come to this cone. Come back. 1, 2, 3. And then when I come back to the middle, I'm going to go in and sweep using the inside of my foot. To kick my sock ball, and I'm going to try to knock down my water bottle. Now, if I'm able to do that, I'm going to get 2 points. So this is what it looks like live. Then I'm going to side slide 1, 2, 3. Come back 1, 2, 3. Using inside my foot, sweep. If I knock it over, I get 2 points. Come back, do it again, side slides. And then do it again. Okay, so that would be a total of 4 points. Now I'm going to have 1 minute to try to strike down my object as many times as possible. Slide, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Side slide, come back, and kick. All right, so I missed, I gotta come back, do it again. Side slide, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step, inside foot. Oh, I got it back in. All right, so that counts, 2 points, 2 points. Again, side slide. Oh, back in again. That's 4 points. Side slide. And kick. Ah, missed. So far, Mr. Garcia has 4 points. 6 points. And time. So, for the activity, Mr. Garcia was only able to get 6 points. Can it be my score? Drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game, Side Slide Soccer. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you would have modified it. And don't forget to use our hashtag, #ThePESpot, so we can see those modifications in action. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.